look inside your tiny mind, look a bit harder, 'cause you're so uninspired, so sick and tired of all the hatred you harbor. So you say it's not okay to be gay, well I think you're just evil. You're just some racist who can't hide my laces. And so for you is no default. Fuck you very, very much. 'Cause we hate what you do, and we hate your whole thing, so please don't stay in touch. Fuck you very, very much. 'Cause your words don't translate, and it's getting quite late, so please don't stay in touch.